Hey everyone! If you're struggling with the Xbox app error code 0x87E10BC6 and can't access your games, don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll go through some quick fixes, starting with basic troubleshooting. And if those don't work, we'll guide you step by step through advanced solutions like changing DNS settings and reinstalling the Xbox app. By the end of this video, your problem should be solved. Let's dive in. Basic fixes. Before getting into the more detailed steps, let's start with some quick and simple solutions. Check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable connection. Restart your modem or router if needed. Check your Xbox game license or Battle Pass. Ensure your subscription or purchase is valid. Log out and log back into your Xbox account. This can refresh your session and fix minor account-related issues. If none of these work, don't worry. Let's move on to the real fixes. Fix 1. Changing DNS settings. Sometimes your DNS can cause connectivity issues that result in this error. Changing it to a faster and more reliable DNS, like Google DNS, can fix this. Here's how to do it on Windows. Click on the Start menu and open Settings. Go to Network and Internet. Change adapter options. Right-click on your active network, Wi-Fi, or Ethernet, and click Properties. In the list, select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, and click Properties. Choose. Use the following DNS server addresses and enter Preferred DNS Server. (8.8.8.8). Alternate DNS Server. 8.8.4.4. Click OK to save the changes and close all windows. Restart your PC and try launching the Xbox app again. That's it. This step often fixes the error by improving your network connection. Fix 2. Uninstall and reinstall the Xbox app. If changing the DNS didn't solve the issue, the next step is to reinstall the Xbox app. Corrupt files or outdated versions can sometimes cause this error. Here's how to properly reinstall the app on Windows. Uninstall the Xbox app. Go to the Windows Settings, Apps, and then Apps and Features. Find the Xbox app. Open the Microsoft Store. Search for Xbox and click Install. Once installed, open the app, log in with your account, and try launching your game again. This step ensures you're using a fresh, updated version of the app, which can fix many issues. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Xbox app error code 0x87E10BC6 and get back to gaming without any issues. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching and happy gaming!